Mick's back. How are we doing? That first track, amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely love that first track. It was really, really good. Really just brings a different vibe to the studio. That's what we like. You know, it's okay pressing play on a CD or the digital system and bringing a track in, but actually having someone in the studio, you know, and until maybe like over the weekend, they won't get to see, but you've got a guitar, you're acoustic, there's no auto phase, nothing. There's, you know, it's just you in the studio, which is the way it should be, and this is what we're trying to promote.
Yeah, I love it. It's just bare bones.
Exactly the way it should be. So you're going to sing a second track for us?
Yes.
And what's the track?
It's a song that I wrote like a week and a half ago or something.
Wow.
And tonight I thought, I'm going to be brave. I'm going to do that one. I think. So I got a guitar when I got home. I thought, well, I think I'll get through it.
Give that a go.
But I wrote it and I was buzzing, so it probably sound. I hope people like it.
They will. We'll get feedback for you. But right, I'll leave it all to you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Things have changed in so many ways. We sit around and we talk about the good old days when life seems so easy. We'd go out drinking every night with friends and put the world to rights and laugh at the stupid things we did. I'm so glad that I had those days to live and breathe. And I smile every time I look back at those happy days. Doesn't seem that long ago you dared to dream and hope those dreams would come true. Well, I found you. I'm so glad that I had those days to live and breathe. And I smile every time I look back at those happy days. These days you can communicate in so many ways, but why do I feel alone? Things have changed in so many ways. We sit around and we talk about the good old days when life seems so easy. I'm so glad that I had those days to live and breathe. And I smile every time I look back at those happy days. Oh, those happy days.
Again, absolutely incredible. Thank you very much.
There you go.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.